Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this RV garage pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 2697 Huntington Drive. Listed about 30 days ago. Current price is $709. It's on a pretty big lot, 11,500 square feet, north area of town. It's kind of like on a little turn here. So you have a flag lot between this house and the next door house. So this driveway goes to a house in the back. We'll go check it out, see how private it is, make sure they're not peeking in your backyard. So obviously the property line over here goes to the water boxes. Looks like the wall is on the neighbor's side. All right, let's go check it out. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2014, 1,546 square feet, listed for $709. Believe they are using this as a vacation rental. Has vaulted ceilings, open floor plan, rear kitchen, split bedroom layout. Little dining area, slider out to the backyard, pool area. Looks like they have upgraded cabinets. Nice granite counters with the eat-at bar. Have the travertine tile backsplash, underlighting, can lights. All the cabinets have soft touch close hinges. So again, it is a split floor plan, and the master is on one side of the house and the other guest bedrooms on the other. So you have a laundry, garage access, and then your master, all tile, slider out to the backyard. Vaulted ceiling. So you have your walk-in closet, master bath, same cabinets and granite top counters, dual sinks, tiled walk-in shower, dual heads. Let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, so the other two guest bedrooms are on the other side of the house. You have a linen closet that has a combo lock, so it's probably like an owner's closet lockout. You have guest bedroom number 1 at the back of the house. Has a walk-in closet. So you have a guest bath, same granite. Nice tiled shower. Guest bedroom number 2. This is at the front of the house. Also has a walk-in closet. So you have your indoor laundry and access to the garage off the kitchen and master. There's granite tops in here as well. No sink. All right, you have a 2-car garage with a 24-foot bay, 8-foot door. This is also where the third bathroom lives. You also have your hot water, your soft water, and all your home runs for irrigation behind these double doors. So you also have a 51-foot RV garage, 14-foot door. Has a access door to the backyard. Also looks like there's a swamp cooler. Also a 50 amp hookup and some shelving up here. Let's go check out the pool. All right, so you have a pretty cool pool setup. Full length covered patio with ceiling fans. Stamped concrete decking. They did travertine decking and coping on the pool. Also has a nice quartz finish plaster, some spill pots, little putting green action. Little barbecue area, side gate. So I took a look at the flag lot house behind here, super private, so nobody's looking in on you. This little sitting area, Baja shelf. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Huntington. Again, this one is 709. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Again, this one is being used as an Airbnb and you can pick it up furnished. So if that's something you're looking to do, this would make a good choice. Also, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day and I'll talk to you soon.